Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to change text-to-speech voice on TikTok. So let's go! So let's open the TikTok, and the first step is press on the plus button. Then you need to record the video, for example, for just like 2 seconds, and then tap on the right, and then press on the AA text. Let's just try it. For example, this person is just awesome, and then press on done. And I need you to click on the text and then press on the text to speech.
This person is just
That's for today. Hope this helps. See you in the next video. Thank you.